Down the lane where daisies sway lives a puppy bright and gay. With wagging tail and joyful bark, he runs from morning until dark. He chases butterflies through the air, tumbles in the grass without a care. He leaps at bubbles, splashes wide, and rolls in puddles side by side. He finds a stick and gives a cheer, then runs in circles far and near. The kittens giggle, the ducklings quack, as puppy bounces forth and back. He hides behind a leafy tree, then pops right out with eyes of glee. He sniffs the flowers, digs a hole, and proudly guards his hidden goal. When the wind begins to blow, he jumps at leaves that dance and go. Through meadows bright he loves to roam, but always finds his way back home. At sunset time with sky so pink, he stops to rest and takes a drink. His tired paws curl up in hay, dreaming of more games to play. For every dawn brings light and cheer, and puppy's joy is always near. He'll bark and bounce the whole day through, because that's what happy puppies do. So when you hear a playful sound of tiny paws that skip around, just smile and softly say that Bouncy puppy loves to play.